How to rename my files using the barcode on the documents. When you at SmartScan Lite interface, right-click on the Job button to modify naming scheme. Click File Name. Enable or disable to apply the desired naming scheme, such as prefix, via barcode, date, time, etc. Click Barcode Value and you can choose which type of barcode that you would like to recognize. Then choose the barcode position on document. If the barcode is not fixed in a certain area, please choose Full Page. Don't forget to enable the barcode value. Now, start scanning. Also, you can preview and edit document on SmartScan Lite. Voila, the scanned document is renamed with the barcode. Happy scanning!